Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review video for you. A company called The Clone reached out to me and asked if they could send me some of their perfumes if I would review them and do a video. And I said sure, because I do love perfume. I don't have a whole lot. I'm not experienced in perfumes like other people are, but I do like perfume. So I said yes. So they sent me 4 bottles to try, which was extremely nice of them. They offered that I could pick out 3, or they could just send me some of their top sellers. So I told them just to send me the top sellers. That was fine. And so that's what they did. I've got my notes. I went in and made some notes, and so I can give you all the info. First of all, this company it's called The Clone, and it is a company that is based in the United States, and everything is made here in the USA. So that's good. What they want to do is make clones, duplicates, replicas, you know, of expensive perfumes that people like you and me might not ever get a chance to actually wear. So that's the whole premise behind this company. So, and I say so too much, I'm sorry. So what I've done is they sent me 4 fragrances. I've been trying them out for the last, over a week now, going on 2 weeks. I have made notes. I've got the name of the fragrance. I've got what they are duping or cloning. I have got the notes from the original fragrances. I don't have notes for these. Since it's a clone, I would assume that's what it should smell like. Because like I said, I haven't smelled any of the original fragrances, so I can't tell you if it smells like it or not. I can just tell you if I like these or not. So, let's get started. The first one I've got, let's see, I've got Velour. Let me find it. I've got them all right here in front of me. This is how it'll arrive. It's in a box, and it's got info on the back, and it also tells you which fragrance it is cloning. It's all on a sticker on the back. And this is what the bottles look like. All the bottles look alike. They just have different labels. There we go. So this one is called Velour. Velour is inspired by Parfums de Marly Valleja. I hope I'm saying that right. Valleja. It smells good. I have some strips here that we're going to spray. The notes on this is mandarin, bergamot, white peach, orange blossom, muguet, vanilla, and woody accord and musk. That's a lot of notes. I can smell the woody. I definitely smell the woody in it, and I smell the musk, and I smell floral. I don't have one of these great noses that can pick apart each scent. Now, this bottle on the Clone's website is $45. The original bottle by Parfums de Marly, a 75 ml, is $410. So, yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, this smells good. I like all of these. I'll just go ahead and tell you. I've been wearing them. There's not one I don't like. I do like one more than the others, and I'll tell you that when I get to it. But, yeah, this smells good. They all smelled really good on me. Yeah, I like that. I am pleased with that. So that was the first one. I'm just going to move the box aside. I'll set the test strip there. Next one is one I think a lot of people have heard of. Their version is Rouge Veil number 13, and it is a replica of the Baccarat Rouge. Now, I have heard of that. I have never smelled it. Got it here. Move the box. This is what it looks like. You can tell I've been using these. Can you see they're going down? I have been using them. So let me spray this one. Yeah, now this one happens to be my favorite out of all 4 of these. The clone sells it for $39.99, and if you purchase the original, it's $495 for a 2.4 ounce. That's a lot. These, by the way, are 1.7 ounces. All of these are. I didn't tell you that. So the notes on this are jasmine, grandiflorum, saffron, bitter almond, mossy wood accord, and musk. Now this one, the woody is not as prevalent. I don't smell it as much. It's there, but I don't smell it as much, nor the musk. This one I smell more floral. This one I think is my favorite out of all of these. I like them all. I've been wearing them all, but this one I think I really like. Okay, next, Lost in Symphony number 83. And that is this one. See? This one is a dupe for Symphony by Louis Vuitton. I don't know why I'm smelling it like that. Let's strip. Here we go. I'd never even heard of this one. Nor the Valleja. I'd never heard of that before either. Yeah. This one, the notes are grapefruit, ginger, and bergamot. And I smell a little citrus. I like a citrus scent. Just reading these, I would have thought this one or the next one would have been my favorites. But I like them all, like I said. This smells so good. I don't really smell the ginger in this. It doesn't say there's a floral, but I smell like a citrusy floral scent. It's very nice. Now, the clone sells this bottle for $45, and Louis Vuitton sells a 100 ml bottle for $615. Yeah. Okay, I really like that too, though. And then last, what we have is Brave in Love number 37. I don't know what the numbers mean, but some of them have numbers, some don't. This one has it looks more of an amber colored liquid. I know the bottles are dark, but you can see. Yeah, you can see. This one, let me spray it. This one is a clone of Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. I have heard of that. Yeah, it sprays out a little amber. You probably can't see that. Yeah. Now this one, this one is much different than the other 3. The notes in this, let me give you the notes. The notes are neroli, orange blossom, and marshmallow. I can smell the marshmallow. It's not like I wouldn't call it a gourmand, but I do get that sweet kind of marshmallow scent. I get the orange blossom. I don't get citrus. I get more blossom, floral. And I do smell the neroli. It smells really nice. Their bottle is $39.99, and to purchase a 3.4 ounce, it's $450 from Kilian. Yeah, I do. I like all of these. I will tell you, they are a little lighter in scent. I'm not saying anything bad. But they are not as bold. If you spray it, you're not going to be like, oh no, you're going to smell me for days, you know. It is a bit of a lighter scent, so it isn't so strong. And I will say, when I first got these, I sprayed all 4 of them and I couldn't really smell anything. But I kept trying them, and after 2 or 3 sprays, then I could smell it. So I don't know if maybe I needed to get everything up into the sprayer. You know what I mean? But now they all work great. They smell great. But I did need to give them a few sprays first. Just a heads up. But that's nothing bad. I don't find that anything to... that would just be nitpicking, truthfully. But there we go. They were kind enough, the clone was kind enough to give me a discount code. I'll put it right here. My discount code is Tiara. If you go over and purchase any of these fragrances, or they have a lot more, if you want to purchase those, you get 15% off. They have men's, women's, and unisex ones in there. So if you want to go check them out, use my code. I will put a link down below in my description box. And I want to thank Clone for sending me these. I am really enjoying them. I do really like these fragrances. So guys, I wouldn't tell you, I wouldn't do a video if I didn't like it. So there you go. So thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any of these original fragrances. If you've tried the Clone before. If you're interested in any of these, just let me know. I'd like to hear from you. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I will see y'all next time.